Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the exact branches you'll combine. Ensure your working tree is clean. Stash or commit anything uncommitted so the merge proceeds without interference. Once done, fetch origin to update refs and then check out the target branch, for example main or release 1. 2. Because you merge into the branch you want updated. Finally, run git merge source branch to begin. This starts the merge operation and shows whether it will fast forward, create a merge commit, or produce conflicts. You now manage the merge behavior and conflicts. If you want history preserved, use NoFF. If you prefer one squash change, use squash. When conflicts appear, open files, resolve differences, and use git add on each resolved file so Git knows they are ready. Make sure to run git status frequently to track progress. Once all conflicts are resolved, complete the merge with git commit, writing a concise message that explains why the branches were combined and what the final state represents. You finish by pushing the merged branch to the remote so teammates see the result. Use git push origin main or the branch name in use. After verifying tests and history, tidy up by deleting the source branch locally and remote when appropriate. For example, git branch defeature and git push origin delete feature. If something goes wrong during merge, use git merge abort to return to the pre-merge state, or git reset hard org head to recover. This is the key troubleshooting step to undo a bad merge quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.